back to my channel. We have here Labubu and this one for my niece. And we're going to open it and join us to open kung ano ang nasa inside.
And I'm hoping it's not like fake.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you think that this is so expensive we bought it?
Yeah,
It costs 100 dirham here. Okay? So let's go, let's open it.
Okay guys, let's open! Together! Oh! So are you excited what's inside? Really? Oh! Lynn! Basta sa kuwan pa rin. Basta walang kaluyan ba yun? Oh my goodness. Hindi, basta kuwan no? Tumbling na si Una ko na natin. Hi! This is my Pop Mart.
This is what I wanted.
Really? Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't like it. The
There's here.
Oh!
This is what I wanted.
and the body is turning. Oh, it's trailing, guys.
Okay.
Uy, naba.
Look, I remember this.
Oh, 1 minute. Asan to na nahulog si Una? Ko. Salin.
Thank you for watching that. Look, Una.
See? Una?
But I got the brown one.
I got what is this
Why do you-
color?
listen.
We're going to buy for mommy next time some para natin Labubu all.
So cute.
It's so cute. This is our first Labubu.
Butang daw light.
You can put this one in your bag. So ito na. Yan na. That's the end of the story. So kayo guys, comment kung totoo ba yung Labubu. It looks good. Ganito pala. It's alright. Kaya ang yung kitaon ko pa po. So, mag-collect pa kami nito. Dadagdagan pa namin to. Dagdagan pa ang 100. The monster. Oh! It's a monster. I want the blue. But I have plastic. Ito na lang sa bag. Sorry. Ganun sa bag. So, this will be hung in my bag, guys. So, ayan. Marami tayong nababasa sa news na hindi daw maganda pag may Labubu. At we're not going to idolize it. You got a brown one? Do you like the color brown one? That's the monster. Yeah, I got the pink one. What is the color of this?
I get this and look.
Oh, wow. So it means red. Let me see. See guys, this is the pin light. See? Oh, this is a magic.
Get out.
Magic. How about yours? Let me see yours. So this is it, guys. Ito lang. Napaka-easy i-open, i-unbox ng Labubu. Let me see. So this is, oh, I think mine is prettier. So this is the two.
Mine is pretty.
What's the name of your Labubu?
It's lock.
Huh?
No, it's this lock.
A
And
lock.
yours is
Happiness. Loyalty. Oh, this is loyalty. 1 minute.
mine is lock.
Happiness. I hope. Oh, you're good luck.
Good.
I'm happiness or luck because there is.
Lock. Loyalty.
I'm a loyalty.
And
See, what's the name of yours?
you can, guys, you can say in the comments who's the nicest one. Who
Yeah?
do you like?
Yeah.
Who do you like?
Who do you like now?
Mine.
Or mine? This is luck and this is
Loyalty.
loyalty. Oh, this is
My
loyalty.
favorite one is to do this.
Well, oh, and me try it. Why their head is turning, huh?
That's all. That's all. Part.
And some the eyes is moving. This one is not moving.
Then stop doing that. See?
You turn also. You're not turning.
Huh?
You're not turning your head. Okay. Okay.
We got yellow ears. Oh, yellow ears. And purple in the fur. Yeah, keychain.
So where you gonna hang
The
this one?
monster.
Where you gonna hang this?
And my bag.
In your bag?
And I'm just gonna bring this in case.
Why?
Oh, yeah.
Why?
See, it even glows in the dark. See? Guys, can you see it?
They're going to walk in the night? No. See? See?
Imagine it walking in your room at night
And then?
at 3 a.m.
What?
The hands are so cute. You can't even move it.
Oh, yes. That's so cute. Can you appear? Tell about all the story of your Labubu. Do you want to collect some? There is here. They are secret. What's the secret? Okay.
Oh, I know what's the secret.
What's the secret?
Where's this one? This one's the secret.
What's this? This is the secret.
The black.
The black.
The black one. It has rainbow eyes.
Okay. So ito daw yung secret, guys. Rainbow eyes. So begin to.
Right, what the fuck this? You have this.
So do you want to complete this all this? Do you want to complete all this, guys? So today I got a loyalty, yeah, I got this loyalty and she got the luck.
Hey, what? Look. Guys, look.
Show them. Show them.
There's something there.
May I see? Me also. Can you use your pin light? Hi, Ona. Your headband is same like mine.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Where? Here.
Hey, Dira.
Asa?
Dira sa tiil.
Oh. Here sa
Para
tiil.
makakuan.
Para maano.
Tanawa.
Oh, this is a rainbow.
Dili.
Green, okay. What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this? Can you tell to the guys? To all of them, what's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of this one?
Yeah? Yes?
Di ba,
Ikaw?
Oda, nag-ingon ka next week?
Ikaw? Inshallah. Still, I don't know. Huh. Yes.
Una, look. Look. You see this? Una? Look. Yes.
We guys is opening we unbox the Labubu, then we're talking my another niece. She is also Labubu. See, I will introduce you. This is Labubu. We have 3 Labubu. Where's your Labubu? Huh? You gonna hang this one in your... You're gonna hang this one in your bag. So we're going to collect some of that or finish. We're not going to buy. Mommy will get hungry because it's so expensive.
Oh my god.
No, I want to get the hope, the serenity. There is green also, huh? There is love, hope. Ay, ma-open da ini siya dire. No, we cannot. When we buy it, we can't choose the color. No, it's a surprise.
And if you want to choose the color, you need to pay a lot.
Why? Why we have to pay a lot?
Because you need to choose it.
I see. But do you like yours?
Yeah. This is the thing that I just wanted.
But I really want the blue. Blue is hope.
Mine is
But I'm
love.
going to welcome you loyalty because I'm a
This
loyal.
is luck, but I want to name this Mimi. Mimi.
What Mimi?
Mimi.
Not Mimi. I don't see Mimi.
Mimi. M-I-M-I.
Why Mimi? No, I don't see that. That's Mimi already. Don't see Mimi.
Mimi.
Mimi. This one is. No, I like to
Okay.
name. I like to name here loyalty.
But if you guys don't like the name, you can just
I
tell
don't like
below
that.
the
I'm
comments.
so scared of her face.
In the comments. So
Okay.
what name?
Yeah, what name? She want you us guys to choose what's the name is better for this.
Always remember this. It's a girl.
How about this? This a girl too?
Yeah.
Is this a girl?
It's something, but just tell in the comments.
I don't know if it is a boy because he's a loyalty. Okay, we're going to see bye-bye na guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching and joining us to open it this Labubu for the first time.
For
So,
the first time.
bye! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and click the button bell for more upcoming Labubu open. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye.